Okay.
Send it to my phone. Send it to my phone. You already know.
Twatangiye agafilme kacu bakise ngo aka ni accounta ugiye komezaho kagarukiye ubushize tangiye episode ya kabiri giye uri murumva nitwa teacher akaririmbo naka Austin Mahone ari kumwe n'uwo bita Rich Homie Kwan bakise ngo send it to my phone.
Baby, might as well. You know I keep it true. You know I never tell. I'm sure you took a few. Tell me what to do.
Bitarambiranye yatangiye agafilme kacu ntabwo tibuki burarura iyi filme mbazani iyi filme nabazaniye iraza kubandikira amateka.
Send it to my phone. You already know. I keep it on the low. Baby, you can trust me. Promise I'm alone. Tell us so. Send it to my phone.
Okay, then send it to my phone like a message that's unread.
Vast way.
New picture openly. Hope they read it. Awesome, my home got them motivated. Send it to my phone like a notification. Send it to my phone, but my ring got cut off. I can't leave you alone, even though I'm single and out. Send it to my phone like a message from my BM. Notify me on my.
Cyo utagomba kwibagirwa, ugomba kuzirikana. Ni izina teacher. Ni wagutegura kano gafilme kugira ngo kakugereho. Kare mu mashusho meza n'amajwi meza.
Send it to my phone. You already know. I'll keep it on the low. Baby, you can trust me. Promise I'm alone. I will tell her so. Send it to my phone. Baby, what's the move? Don't need no attitude. You know it'll stay between just me and you. I wanna see already. It's the perfect view. Tell me if you're leaving. Can I have it soon? Tell you that I love you, yeah. Ain't nothing above you, yeah. I wanna see you back. I promise, baby girl, I'll be our little secret, yeah. I'm gonna keep it, yeah. Let no one see it except for me. Send it to my phone.
Okay. Agafilme tukatuga gatangiye bakorera Studio Dragons Netflix nibo babyisha inyuma.